Wait, food day. Thanksgiving? I'm late. Why are you following me? I gotta take a shower.
Oh.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses super slow.
Alright, we gotta go. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta grab this real quick. Hi, kitty. Peep the Crocs, guys. Yep. Sheesh. Hey, come on. Alright, I'll see you at my concert.
Okay.
Alright, we are gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees on bake.
Press it.
So for what we need for this cake is 3 large sweet potatoes, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of white sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of allspice. And then we'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a cup of milk or buttermilk. Grab your cut yams, sweet potatoes, yams, whatever you want to call them, pour them in. Then grab your 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I'm going to mash these slightly before blending them and putting my brown sugar in.
Okay, go. Look up and...
Now we will put in our spices. 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of regular sugar. Then we have the Mighty 3. We have 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and then 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And then we will add our eggs right after we crack them. Let's get cracking. And literally, for the 3, they call me LeBron. We are now going to add our 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, our 1 cup of milk, half cup of milk, then our 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda in there, then our 3 large eggs. Now we get to mixing. Yeah. It's kind of fun. It kind of smells like a cake too. Yeah. All right, flour, right?
Yes.
All right. Now we will need 1 cup of flour, and then right after we'll mix it, and then add another cup, then mix it, then do that 1 more time.
4 total.
So, we'll round up to 3 times. So after you pour in the flour, you mix it up until it kind of disappears. It'll take a while.
Slow down. Slow down.
Now we will get another cup of flour. Then we repeat the process for another time.
Until
Right?
until
we have all 3 cups. It's looking really good. It's getting harder to mix by the second, and my nose is itching because of the cinnamon. Alright, now we have to grease the pan.
Right.
Now we pour it into the cake mold. Make sure to even it out and don't be like me. Like, yeah.
Go.
You're glazed now, right?
Now we shall put it in for an hour. And we'll be back in an hour. Well, now for the glaze, we will need 2 sticks of unsalted butter again, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup of chopped pecans, and then after that you just pour on your finished pound cake. Now we put 2. Now we put our 2 sticks of butter in. 1. Turn the oven down. I'm sorry. 1. Next, we'll add in our 2 cups of brown sugar. Yes, it looks like sand. Hi, Kitty. Now that it's at a small boil, we will add the powdered sugar. And do a little bit at a time. Don't just flush it. And now we will add our 1 cup of evaporated milk. What? And then we're gonna keep stirring until it's all incorporated. Now we add 1 cup of pecans. And this is what the glaze looks like. And the cake is still cooking, but it's almost done. And my wonderful mom is gonna put them together and I'll show them the results later. And that's my cat, by the way. So yeah, I will show you the results later. Bye bye. We're at my cousin's house to finish up the rest of the items. And, I don't know how to open the door. Somebody help me.
Why don't you knock on the door? Jesus Christ. I got this.
You can stop recording now.
Yes, get the footage.
And then reduce this and add some water. That's what I was thinking about it as like a redox.
So you gotta put the butter.
I'd hate to catch you cutting your finger open on camera.
You need some. You need to do it by the end of you got it.
Guys who just got the cornbread out. Hashtag shout out my grandma. She low-key called it because it was not gonna last long. It was gonna burn up in there. Alright guys, it's the next morning and I low-key forgot to make a drink, so we're gonna make a a lemon lime ginger beer. First, we will start off with this. 0 sugar, no made. It could be sugar, 0 sugar. This is what I'm just kind of using. I'm not gonna use that much because there's not that much people here. And then half a Faygo twist. Okay, so put more in there. My brother just drank most of it this morning. But luckily we have a lime Diet Coke. Oh my god. Just put anything lemon and lime that's liquid in there.
Ginger beer.
And then ginger beer. You need to put all of it in there.
Ooh.
I think this has a little bit of lime in there. But so yeah, but I wouldn't recommend a lime like Coke at all. I'd rather just use a full Faygo or any other, maybe just a Sprite or something. Just put the whole can in there, and you add just a little bit more lemonade. Then you mix it up like this, and then it's ready to drink. Stop. So it's the final product, and I'm going to drink it. It's actually really good. I think with the Coke, it makes it like
Darker and
it tastes like an iced tea with the Coke in there. Usually it doesn't, and I think it's like really good. And I'm gonna let my brother try.